the turn up twins, pick up yourself. You don't know full thing of the global thing, I don't like the whole world.
Yeah, me I say, this is Craig.
Yo, you don't know this is Kevin.
And together we're Vice, man. I would say turn up twins. Thing, turn up
things, you see.
You know it's higher where the girls them try. I mean I represent for turn up twins. Turn up things, you know there's something to turn up now.
Up to the era, turn up twins are not like fever. Yo, touch her make she ooh, touch her make she ah.
Now we're sitting here with A&G artist Nymron. So Nymron, tell us a little bit about yourself.
I don't know, this is Steve Henry, aka Nymron, a member of the Alliance Next Generation. As you all know, Bounty Killer, young. Mad thing, I don't know, I represent.
What kind of music you would say that what kind of category of music would you say that you fall under in the dancehall scene?
Really still hardcore, I don't know, social commentary, I don't know.
Oh.
I'm not 100% corporate, but
alright, when they say hardcore,
yeah,
me listen to certain words, you know. So when they say hardcore, elaborate a little what you mean hardcore.
I mean like my type of music reach out to a certain depths of the streets.
Like more
The
like
type
gangsta, more like...
Not really say gangster, but you don't know a certain type of lifestyle.
Alright, spit that. Alright, spit something away from one of your songs then.
Me say don't make the system get to your brain. Like how the terrorists get to the plane. Go getters get out and go get to the gain. Like how the medicine get to the pain. Flow like the blood does get to the vein. Don't make the in get to the scene. Make them get to you like how them get to Hussein. It's a mental depression, so get to the strain. Education of the key brain. Yeah, mad thing what you see.
You're mad. Alright, now since you put him on the spot, come through my girl.
Tamika, really? Really? Alright, let's see it later.
Alright.
So how did you get into Alliance Next Generation? Or should I say, how did you get associated with them?
It's a long story, but I'm going to try to cut it as short as possible still. Prior to Alliance Next Generation, I was there from the first batch. But since the entity was it wasn't structured, before Casquis come along, it was like all like wild moving. You know, I was there in the batch of Mavado, Cartel, Busy Signal, Bling Dog, when everybody premiering. You know, because I'm a person kind of lay back and humble, you know. And I think it wasn't structured, so it don't it pushed through. So I was there from that time.
From the beginning.
Yeah. So now when Casquis came on board. You see, and he learned that I'm a senior member of the group, and you see, I told him the story and everything. Now we organize the thing and so, you know.
Now move forward.
So you're happy for where you are in the direction in which you are going now?
Yeah, definitely.
Alright. Let me ask you a question before we even go any further. When you use senior before your name, how old are you, if you don't mind us asking you? How old are you? A roundabout. Give me a roundabout. Because when you say, tell me age. 16. Then around with that. Me young. So where do you see your career going from here?
From here to a higher level, you know. To a higher level. You know, after I reach a level in music, like where vocal delivery is concerned, maybe me just go over to like start shoot video to or something. I have a whole heap of talent. You see, multi-talent.
So do you have any videos right now?
We have videos out. We have a new thing out with Solution.
What's
Payday
the name
production.
of the song?
Swear.
Hey yo, Nymron.
Yo, Solution.
Man, not sell out.
No time.
What am I dignity?
Then that's how we have to do it.
Watch son, man. Payday. We're not stepping at the wrong lane.
No time.
And have a bad day. You mad? You put million for me heart and swear. Never got your boy for the things that them wear. How them get it, none at all, me no care. Could I be unnecessary, could be unfair. You put million for me heart and swear. Never got your boy for the car where them steer. How them get it, none at all, me no care. Could I be unnecessary, could be unfair.
No
me no watch people things, me no watch people chain, me no watch people rings, me no watch people car, me no watch people rims. Tell them say me stubborn like Marlon Mills. Me no fight no Friday, ask me links. I'm from the ghetto with the boards and the zincs. Roll with me dogs with the killer instincts. Before we run into no boy, we rather run up on the ring.
Never put me on for me heart and swear. Never go to boy for the things that they wear. How them get it on at all, me no care. Could have been necessary, could be unfair. Never put me on for me heart and swear. Never go to boy for the car where them steer. How them get it on at all, me no care. Could have been necessary, could be unfair. Cause we ain't no red, we ain't no heavy like no lead. No carry cup, bring come Nymron never said. We don't care who a play 6 and 9 or 2. I who have 3 gal in a bed.
Jaja come and plan me, I no long enough. Lost them way, just be driving a van. Me bring a solution, you know we not stress it. Cause we don't know where them to pick up them credit.
Don't put me on for me heart and swear. Never go to boy for the things where them wear. How them get it on at all, me no care. Could have been necessary, could be unfair. Don't put me on for me heart and swear. Never go to boy for the car where them steer. How them get it on at all, me no care. Could have been necessary, could be unfair. Ayo, Payday. I want to them troublemaker, man. Me no know, you know. But I know that today on the phone today. Solution said that, you know. Ha. I owe this early morning crosses off it job. You better go back in your yard and go look something for doing in your house. Well out like I'm in jail and me never pay them mind. Me know how them come about say I kill this wine. Now me know such trouble doesn't set like rain. When it a come, it doesn't show your sign. Them tell me what to do to my mother, yo. How much more than me, them bother, yo. Say them a hot foot and hot skull and them a bun, them hot grab about that. One thing I save them, yo. Through this morning, but we up on the good side. So one dirty nigga man a mind. Got this morning, but we up on the good side. When they match at we not gonna pay them no mind. Got this morning, but we up on the good side. So all crosses man a mind. Got this morning, but we up on the good side. The good side, yeah. This side is the good side. Look at my face, you can see the smile. It's some the happiness I feel inside. When the money cannot buy you. Today me not gonna travel through no war zone. Me no want fear no gun sound. Want to keep my thoughts them pure and clean. Like the water that is running from the stream. Got this morning, but we up on my good Sunday. So one dirty nigga man a mind. Got this morning, but we up on my good Sunday. When they match at me, not gonna pay them no mind. Got this morning, but we up on my good Sunday. So all crosses man a mind. Got this morning, but we up on my good Sunday.
Yo, Beres, Venom, ANG,
Alliance, go Payday.
I'm in a depressing state, feel like me want give up. Me still a hold the fucking faith. It no nice when every day no food none of your fucking plate. Why eat and can't eat? I try complete the circle yet the two ends can't meet. Ja, know me, pocket empty no papers. Wake up another day without breakfast. Me life it dread like a fake cross. Plus it hard like when Bulls a try beat the Lakers. Still I stay strong, it's high like Vegas. Striving to be the best that I can. Soon it I go manifest that I am.
Fly, conquer this life. God is struggling on ice, but me not go give up the fight. I'm here to win. Fly, conquer this life. God is struggling on ice. You know me not go give up the fight.
we got the mental capacity fi overcome animosity. Fast and furious, infinite velocity. The same vision we Selassie see. When them trample Mussolini, well the things them did a clap it. Like a fox, them think them sly. Me know where them a try. Them want we dead fi hungry, hike the price we no buy. We a go free up from suffering, the gate they have to fly. And this is a message from the eye.
I'm here to win, fly, conquer
I'm in a depressing state, feel like me want give up. Me still a hold the fucking faith. It no nice when every day no food none of your fucking plate. Why eat and can't eat? I try complete the circle, yet the two ends can't meet. Ja, know me, pocket empty no papers. Wake up another day without breakfast. Me life it dread like a fake cross, plus it hard like when Bulls a try beat the Lakers. Still I stay strong, heads high like Vegas, striving to be the best that I can. Soon it I go manifest that I am here doing to fly, conquer this life. God is struggling on ice, but me not go give up the fight. I'm here doing to fly, conquer this life. God is struggling on ice. You know me not go give up the fight.
We soon pass through them dark stages. I just saw the thing go. We have to walk the wilderness. Yo, we be the best. And Nymron, you know. Special assignment. Drum roll!
I'm here doing.
You have to watch Tamika. Tamika kind of after the left sometimes. You have to see that.
After the
She had a crazy one, me had the grounded one. But anyway, it was nice having you and thanks for taking the time out to talk to us.
You're welcome.
So, you want to spit something for the takeaway out?
Alright, can you do that?
Put it on the spot again.
Cut you off.
Shoot to the heart, shoot to the head. We step over them and make sure them dead. Clap it pan, rap it, make gunshot spread and no dead pan. The spot shoulda inna them bed.